This is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. First, open the control panel and check if your device has the Do Not Disturb mode or airplane mode switched on. And if it does, make sure to deactivate both or either of those features. Then you can also try launching your device's settings. Here enter the network and internet category, then go for the SIMs and mobile network. Tap at the SIM card you're experiencing those issues with, then go for the VoLTE and also try deactivating this option and see if that will help. And well, another thing you can do is to take out the SIM card and clean its contact part with a cloth, like this one for example, or preferably if the cloth you will be using is dipped in some kind of electronics friendly cleaning solution or alcohol, will do just fine. And you can also try contacting your mobile carrier or cellular network provider as another troubleshoot method to see if the issue is laying on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.